What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys today, and boy am I excited to take this to the tuner. So like I told you guys before, we're gonna go ahead and try and repair that crack that's there. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the bracket, because the crack is right here in the corner. Let me turn on the flash so I can show you guys better. Alright, so the crack is right there. Let me see if it'll focus. Okay, the crack is right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole, like a little tiny hole, right where the crack ends, right there. And then this, well, we'll just have to leave it like that because it's going straight out. We'll still put Bondo there, but still. And then for the other side as well, the other one goes all the way in. So we're just gonna, do our best to try and fix it. If not, well, if it doesn't work, well, fuck it, we gave it a try. But yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the little tiny holes, and I'm just using just Harbor Freight drill and oh no, I didn't get this at Harbor Freight. I got this at AutoZone, I think. But I'm gonna be using that smallest drill bit there. That's 1/16. I think that's the size of it. Yep. And yeah, guys, I'll be right back with you guys once I drill the little hole on there. And oh, one more thing. Also, we're not going all the way through. We're just like making like a little small indent. But yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Alright, guys, so one thing I forgot to mention is we want to make sure the area is clean where you're going to be drilling and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some soapy water and just degrease that area and then brush it down really good. And then we're going to drill the hole. Alright, guys, so if you guys can see here, that's what I was talking about. You see those the little shiny part? I just drilled like a little tiny indents on it. Now, that first one is not really, it's close to, yeah, actually, that one got on it, but the end of the crack still goes a little bit more, but I can't get the drill in there without like having it go all crooked. And then that second one, I just did it just to do it. But another thing too is like I didn't clean it properly. I seen people that sand it down, they use a little Dremel bit, I think that's what it's called, and clean it with gasoline, but I wasn't really trying to take out the engine out and all that stuff. So I just used regular soap and water, regular toothbrush, wiped it down, and that's it. It's good to go for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing up the JB Weld, and I'll show you guys once I start putting it on. Now, the JB Weld I'm using is the original formula one. I'm not using the putty, because the other one's like a little bit more. It'll get into the cracks more than the putty. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, check it out, guys. So okay, so I got the JB Weld on. I was just stirring it up. It's half and half. That's the portions you gotta use. That's what the directions say. So equal amounts of both, and then just stir it up nice till it's a nice gray like this. Then I use the syringe to get in on this side over here because I couldn't get it in without, just the thing itself. So I just squeezed a whole bunch of it in there, right there on that side. Hopefully that seals up, because this is where the oil was leaking, right here. So hopefully that fixes it up. This one over here is good to go as well, right there. Now I just used the Duvalin spoon to like smooth it out. That's what I have, so that's what I used. But yeah, guys, I think that's it. It says it takes up to like 16 hours for it to cure like completely. So we're gonna let this sit for like a day or two, and then I think it's good to go and take it to the tuner, because I'm trying to get this tuned already. I'm tired of seeing the car here and not being able to drive it, because I really want to drive it. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Check it out though. This car is so dirty, it's so filthy. It even has spider webs growing on this side over here. I think I wiped them out. Now you can see that. This car is so dirty. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to get this car going. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for this video. I will make a video tomorrow on my truck, so stay tuned for that. I will upload this tonight. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will keep you guys updated once I get the car tuned and how that JB Weld is holding up. But yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.